Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, and I still think it needs to go to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, just to finish off this wave 3. I am still a big believer that this is actually going to end up looking something like this. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the wave 1 and 2 that I sold on the monthly. Now we're looking at a subdivision. So this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and we're currently in that wave 3 of 3. I don't even see any reason to say why this wave 3 of 3 is over. I think there's a good chance this is going to make a higher low, and I still think there's a very good likelihood it's going to go up to that 61.8 and potentially even a lot higher than that. Going down to the daily time frame, this is where you can start to break this down a little bit. I mean, it looks very clear to me to be a 1, 2, 3. I think this is a wave 4, and I personally think it's going to go up for a wave 5, probably at least up to about the 2440, maybe even the $2,500 area like I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I personally think this is extremely clearly a wave 4. I think it's a wave 3. 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, breaker structure. I think this is personally going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows up towards those higher Fibonacci levels. So taking a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if you actually zoom out a little bit, you can actually see what I mean about this being an extremely clear crescent. 1, 2, 3 waves down, A. This is impulsive up, 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3 up, 5 waves down, and then impulsive up. So that is extremely clearly an ABC, a B. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. I think we have the end of a wave 4, and it's just starting off very corrective, and I think it is going to keep on making those higher highs and higher lows. I think we are going to go up and probably make a wave 5 of wave 3, which is actually just a subdivision of a much, much larger wave 3 on like the weekly and monthly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.